Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get free skin tickets in Rivals Roblox using working codes. You can also get some Roblox Rivals codes for free skin cases and keys. These are definitely the best Rivals codes in 2026. Now before I show you this method on how to get free skin tickets and more, do make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am doing a Robux giveaway, and to enter you simply have to like, subscribe and leave your Roblox username in the comment section below, and I'm gonna pick a bunch of people who have done those things and give away tons of Robux. But anyway, let's get into this video and show you how to get Roblox Rivals codes in 2026 for free skin tickets, free skin cases and keys. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser just to obtain your Rivals code, then you can redeem it in game. So use your mobile internet, go to www.crashcoupons.com. So make sure you type it correctly, Crash Coupons, and what this is going to do, it's going to bring you to this awesome game code website. They have lots and lots of pages on here, guys. So yeah, I highly recommend you use the search bar at the top to find the Rivals Roblox codes page. So go ahead and navigate your way to this screen here. As you can see, there are 5 verified working codes. Hundreds of people have used these today alone. So go ahead and scroll down. You can get all weapons, you can get skin cases, admin commands, free keys, 1,000 free skin tickets. I did this earlier and I actually chose the skin tickets code, so that's what I'm going to choose for this video. Now these are limited codes, and essentially guys, you need to click on show full code, and this is going to search the database of valid codes and allocate you one. So let's wait for it to do that. This code is valid, so it's found one. Now you're going to see this where it says your code is ready. So essentially guys, these are limited codes and it limits 1 code per person. So I've already done this, so I'm not sure I'll be able to do it again. But you need to unlock your code. So to do that, you click on this button here. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring up this page that tells you how to unlock your Rivals code. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code. So on this page, as you can see, there is a list of tasks. They're completely free. You need to choose 2 of them, following the instructions below each. And these are basically mobile apps and games, and really easy things, guys. You just need to follow the instructions. As an example, this is one I did earlier as well. It says here, download, install this app and create an account. So if you was to choose one like that, you would tap on it. It will take you to the App Store. That's why I say do this on your mobile phone. And you just need to download that app and create an account, and that one will be complete. And then you just choose another one. So just complete 2 of them, and then it will send you back to this page on Crash Coupons, and your Rivals Roblox code for your free skin tickets will be fully displayed here. I did this earlier, and yeah, I grabbed the code, redeemed it in game, and that is how to get 1,000 free skin tickets. But they do have other codes as well, and this one is an awesome one as well. So that is it, guys. Go to Crash Coupons. If you need any help, let me know. Like I say, I am doing that Robux giveaway, so make sure you do like, subscribe and leave your Roblox username below, and I'll see you in the next video.